Hi, welcome to I1 Auto. This is 2008 Honda CRV. I'm gonna replace today driver's side armrest. First of all, we need to open this door panel. See, there's a couple screw one in here. See, there's a little tab thing, just like this. There's a one screw right there. See this hole? Just took it out already. One screw right there. So follow this, go down. One lead right here. There's no lead, so it should be one screw right there too. See this screw right there? Take this off. After that, we need to take this lid off right there. See this. So there's a screw right there. So we need to take this screw, that screw off. Wiring harness with the connector right here. You need to take the connector, this connector right here. You're gonna unplug the connector. This like little tab right here, just push it and like pull it like this. It's coming out. Pull this one. Just pull it. It's coming out like this. It's holding with the clip right here. This clip. Put it in. You put it back just right here. That's the hole right here. And just push it in. Like this. Remove this whole thing. So take the switch off. This is switch right here. It's already messed up, you see. So we need to open the. So let me open this and see how it is. It's already loose. Take this off. See this tab right here. Go from the top, so we need to open this, all this screw. Screw out. This kind of screw, you see, it's all the same. Take all this screw out. Take all this screw out. See, this thing is go inside, and there is a little lock thing. See this? See, it has this lock thing has to come out of this. All of them like that. Yeah, I took all the screw out. Then have to push this tab like this. Just push it. Then we need to come over here. this. It's came out already. Don't break. You test in here. Don't put too much. Simply so they just pry from here. See, it will come out later. So pieces came out. Don't break this. Hey, look at this. It's our switch right here. Then what do you do with this? Simply just see this little hole right here. This one is going here like that. And simply just sit in the housing like this. Oh, you just tied only 1, 2, 3 for this switch only 3 screw tied first. Then we need to put this in the vehicle. Later on from the bottom we need to tie it up. Let me show you that. See, after I tied this all 3 bolt screw, simply just take a little bit, pry this little bit, push it like this, just push it to sit like there, like this, and just push this one till you go like that. You need to tied all these bolts. See in here. See this one? I need to pull this like that. There we go. This has to sit in here like this. In here like that. You have little like a hook thing. Stay like this in here. So all of them we need to take it off, take the proper position. See that after that is flush. Switch is nice and flush. So just put it back, this door panel, and don't forget to connect the switch, the connector. That's all guys. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.